Hey, today I'm going to walk you through a very basic marketing funnel that you can use in your B2B business. Now, phase one of this plan is about creating some content that needs to go onto social media. Now, this post that you put onto social media should be tailored and targeted to the audience that you wish to engage with. Most importantly of all, this piece of social media content needs to have a call to action. This call to action is what's going to drive people to phase two of the plan. Phase two is a landing page. Sorry about the handwriting, but this landing page is designed around converting your customer not into being a customer, but being an engaged lead. You will do this by offering a free ebook, a free course, or exclusive insights to your prospective customers' pain point. And on this landing page, you will provide that piece of content in exchange for some contact information, whether that be a phone number or an email address. And this brings us up to phase three of the plan. The follow-up. The follow-up is where you are not trying to sell to your customers, but you're trying to explore what their true problems are and pains and how you can help them overcome this. This is not about selling directly, this is about creating a more engaged customer by seeing value in what you provide. And with this in mind, the fact you are providing value brings us on to phase four of the plan. You are aiming to convert your customer. This happens at the final stage because this is where you are going to be sending direct sales emails or phone calls that are not designed to explore what the problems are of your client, but what you are going to help them do when they become a customer. And that is a very basic marketing funnel that you can go use.